You know the rules. Now let's use them, step by step, with full worked examples. Quick reminder. Brackets first, then powers, multiplication and division, left to right, addition and subtraction, left to right. That is the full BODMAS order. Let's start simple. 3 plus 6 multiplied by 2. Multiply first. 6 times 2 equals 12. Then add. 3 plus 12 equals 15. Now with brackets. 3 plus 6, inside brackets, equals 9. Then multiply. 9 times 2 equals 18. Same numbers, different answer. This is why BODMAS matters. Without brackets, 15. With brackets, 18. One small change, completely different result. Now let's include powers. 2 squared plus 3 times 4. Start with the power. 2 squared equals 4. Then multiply. 3 times 4 equals 12. Then add. 4 plus 12 equals 16. Now a longer one. 5 minus 2 inside brackets equals 3. Then the power. 3 squared equals 9. Multiply. 9 times 3 equals 27. Then add. 27 plus 1 equals 28. Here is where people go wrong. They skip straight to left to right. But before that, you must always check for brackets and powers first. Before you start any problem, pause and ask. Are there brackets? Do those first. Are there powers? Do those next. Then multiply or divide, left to right. Then add or subtract, left to right. Now everything together. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 3 squared equals 9. Multiply. 6 times 9 equals 54. Divide. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Then subtract. 54 minus 5 equals 49. Simply said, follow the order, show your steps, and always check for brackets and powers first. Next, we look at something that catches people out again. Negative numbers in BODMAS. Same rules, but a small twist.